I will show you the most famous mandolin tune in the world. It's called Strum. It's one of the many choices you have on an iPhone. And even if you're not an iPhone user, you've probably heard that ringtone a million times. So it just belongs to the standard repertoire of any mandolin player by now. I also want you to know a little bit about the history of the strum tone. Let me read. The strum ringtone is a default acoustic mandolin. There you have it. Not a guitar. Featured on early iPhones to provide a warm, organic sound compared to traditional digital ringtones. While the creator is not officially confirmed, it is generally considered to be developed by Apple engineers, potentially Dr. Gerhard Lengeling, very German-sounding name, the creator of GarageBand. So there you have it. Now let's see if we can learn how to play it. So I'll start with the right hand. And leave out the left hand completely. So, the groove here on the right hand is this. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow it down a little. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. If you have trouble, take a metronome and just play it slowly until you got it. Left hand starts with an open A chord, C sharp, E, and then an open A and open E string. In general, throughout this whole riff, the A and E string are always ringing along, always open. Then we move it up to a sort of a quasi D chord, just a 2-finger chord. A D here and an F sharp there. And then we just move it up 2 more frets to an E and a G sharp. And finally we resolve it back to kind of an A chord that consists only of an E and A and an A and of an E. So it's just fifths, but it doesn't matter. Together it sounds like. I just hammered here. Just can't help it. But it sounds nice when you put a little hammer on in there. And then slide into the D. And slide into the E. As you can tell, I'm spicing it up a little bit. But if you want to play it authentically, don't do it. Just play. So now you can go impress your friends. Go to a social gathering. Bring your mandolin, hide behind the corner, and break out the strum and see what happens. But before you do that, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope I see you back right here on the Mark Stoffel YouTube channel.